Hello guys, I will introduce to you myself. This is Eddie the expert, and don't forget to subscribe. This is a Range Rover, a GDI engine, gasoline direct injection. A supercharged engine. Before I go on, I will get first the VIN, Vehicle Identification Number. Look at the interior. Inside the vehicle, you will see the all dismantled parts. The air filter, the mass airflow. They did the diagnosis on the time. When I did the diagnosis and I was used the scan tool, I got no fault codes on the engine. This car has been lying for almost a year. This is a supercharged sports Range Rover. It's shown in the normal injectors and direct injectors. Cut view of gasoline direct injection and the attenuator or picoscope to check the injection. The name is attenuator or picoscope. I don't know if I will start this engine because I don't have device, the copiscope. So what I did, I am just look around the vehicle to think what are the ideas so I can start up the engine because I don't have device, the attenuator or opiscope to check the gasoline fuel injectors. They need to check the voltage. It should be negative 70 volts to positive 70 volts. So it might damage my ohmmeter if I will set to 12 volts. So I got an idea. How do I know? I did to check the cam sensor and the crank sensor, even the continuity and the supply, but I got no fault. Fuel system, okay. And the high pressure pump, I could not check it properly because I don't have that device to check the high pressure fuel. On high pressure pump, on starting at least 64 bar. You may read the bottom about what will happen on this car. Two electricians also check this car, but hands up of this problem. Okay, just read the bottom about the details on this car. I used to spray brake cleaner to start up the engine. Why? Because brake cleaner is fastest to ignite than gasoline. I used to spray brake cleaner in order to have fuel fumes inside the combustion chamber to ignite fastest. The fuel pressure should be at least 64 bar on starting system. That was my last option to start up the engine. So, when the engine is started, and if you will measure the voltage of the gasoline direct injection, it should be 70 volts above. Now for checking the direct injection, I need that attenuator or office scope to get the voltage. Direct injection is hazardous because the voltage is positive 70 above. This is the brake cleaner that I am using. You can use another brake cleaner, but it should be past dry. Past dry should be ignite fastest than gasoline. Already. And brake cleaner is a flammable liquid. It doesn't start. I will show you how they started. This video, this is the first day when I came. It's only cranking, but it won't start.
Okay.
Finally, I started the engine. This is a matter of making an excuses without replacing any parts. That's it. Well done. This is a special airlift tool to bleed the air in the cooling system, particularly in supercharged engine. This is a helpful tool to get a perfect cooling system with a supercharged engine. Now the engine has been started and there is a bleeder, but this is not enough to bleed the air in the cooling system. We need to use airlift tool. And I am thanking you indeed. At least this is additional knowledge about the airlift tool. This is helpful to bleed the system, and you can use also in diesel engine equipped with the turbocharger. God bless, million thanks.